I'm Susan. Today I am making something new, and it's meatball subs made with Hawaiian rolls, and it was really good. I got this off of Facebook. My husband found it and sent it to me, and it really is easy and it turned out so good. My family just absolutely loved it. So I hope everybody's doing great today. And without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a bag of frozen meatballs, a jar of marinara, a half a stick of butter, some Italian seasoning, some minced garlic, some Hawaiian dinner rolls, some shredded mozzarella, and some parmesan cheese. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. You want to take your bag of frozen meatballs, pour them into a large skillet. You want to pour your jar of marinara over the top, mix it, and let it simmer until the meatballs are warmed through. You want to cut and separate your rolls into 4 rows of 3. This was a family size package, so there was 24 rolls instead of the 12. So we each got a larger sub. You want to go down through the top of your rolls all the way down to the bottom. You don't want to go all the way through the rolls, just through the top, and you will be scooping that part out. Now at some point you'll want to melt your butter with the Italian seasoning, and that's just to taste, and the minced garlic, and that's also just to taste. And you just want to melt that together in your microwave or on the stove, however you want to melt it. Now you want to take a large baking sheet, and I sprayed mine just to be on the safe side, and lay your rolls out and scoop out the centers. Now you'll want to brush the rolls with the melted butter mixture going inside and outside and down around the outside edges of the rolls. Now you'll want to grate your parmesan over the rolls, and then you'll want to toast the rolls for a couple of minutes until lightly brown. Now I had said to set your oven at 400 degrees. The recipe didn't say what to set it on, so if you want to broil it or however you toast your rolls or buns or whatever, do that, and that'll be fine. Just keep an eye on them. Here they are, lightly toasted. Once your meatballs are done, you want to take some of that marinara and just spoon it to the inside of your rolls. Now you'll want to sprinkle some of your mozzarella over the sauce. Now stuff your rolls with the meatballs, and over that you'll want to add the rest of your mozzarella cheese. And I didn't do it, but I should have. You can grate some more Parmesan cheese over that. Now you'll want to put this back into the oven and toast it until the mozzarella is nice and melted. And here they are. They were really delicious. My family absolutely loved them. And this would be great for like game night or game day food or any of that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I hope you give this a try. And until next time, bye y'all.